Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I clean my oven. As you can see, I have some residue from previous attempts to clean my oven. I have that feature on my oven that is the self-cleaning, and as you can see, it did not work, or either I just didn't do it right. But nevertheless, I found two ladies here on YouTube that shared how they clean their oven with 3 ingredients, and that's what I'll be sharing with you in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, the ingredients I'm gonna be using is baking soda, water, and vinegar. I'm gonna be using this cleaning vinegar that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, a microfiber cloth, and I'm gonna use a bowl to mix it. So I'll also be using this little spatula and a sponge. So I'm going to mix 1 cup of baking soda with 1/3 cup of water. It should be like it should be the consistency of a paste. So I thought this video would be appropriate since it is the holidays and everyone's going to be cooking, so why not have a clean oven when you get ready to do your cooking? So I'm just going to stir the mixture. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Miss V. My channel focuses on budget-friendly content like this, like using items you already have to clean your oven. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and scrape what I can off of the oven. So this is a buildup of over several months. As you can see, I've tried cleaning it in the past, but was unsuccessful. So I just got discouraged, and I came across this lady's channel on YouTube, and her oven was so clean when she finished. So I decided to try this method. So I'll link her channel in the description box. Of course, use some gloves and just coat your oven with the paste, the baking soda paste. So I'm going to coat the oven real good. So as I was saying, my channel focuses on budget-friendly content, like using items you already have around the house to clean your oven with. And I'm also sharing my vegetarian journey and my debt-free journey on this channel. If those are things that you're interested in, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So now that I have my entire oven covered, you just let this sit overnight. Yes, overnight. And so I'll be back.